For cleansing my camera equipment on an African safari, I am using this Digitech camera cleansing travel kit. It comes with this blower to blow off your dust. Then it has a brush, and on the other side there is a pen or a lens cleansing pen, what they say it. So you can clean the corners of your lens properly. Another thing it comes with is your lens wipe. So you can remove this particular lens wipe and clean your front glass properly. You can use it on your viewfinder, on your LCD screen, your top monitor panel, or other cameras as well. Even you can wipe off your cell phone screen with this, and even your spectacles if you are wearing it. Okay, so this is multi-utility item. Then it has also got this lens tissues, which I do not use it, but it has it. There is a lens and sensor cleaner. Then there is a microfiber cleansing cloth which comes along with it. So this is a very fine cloth which you can use it on the front element. You can apply this particular spray. I am not using this particular spray here because already my lens is nearly clean. So you can apply this cloth, and then again you can put it back, fold it and put it back. Okay, so this is a very handy and a very useful cleansing kit which I got from Altaf H Wali in Nagpur. So if any of you want to buy it, I'll just put the link and the contact detail of Altaf H Wali in Nagpur, and you can buy this particular kit from them, Digitech camera cleansing travel kit. And let me tell you, I am not sponsored by this Digitech, so this is my honest review. It is up to you whether you want to purchase it or not, but my recommendation is to have it because it is very handy. Everything fits in this particular thing, and you can carry it, which is very lightweight. Everything fits in that. Where is this pen? Yes, you can close this. This goes like this and it closes like this. This is a pen which can be kept here, and then you just close this particular thing.